Check it out, we found another cave. And of course, we're going in.
Honey, I'm home.
It may have a smokestack too.
This is called Wayback.
Whoa.
Wow, this is awesome. Here's some ancient Indian artifacts.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Pocahontas. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the striations in the stone. It's cool. Here, kitty.
Yeah.
Wow, you know, a lot brighter light than what I got.
Does it stop?
No. But my flashlight ain't doing
Oh man, feel the air come out of there.
Wow.
Your light's doing fine. Keep it going, because I can see. It's looking good on the video. Your head's at the bottom of it.
Holy crap, dude.
Where did it exit go?
You should throw a rock back there. Make sure there ain't nothing back there.
Yeah, make sure the floor's still there when you're walking. Wow.
Journey to the center of the earth.
Oh, that was nice. And I missed it too.
You hear, hey!
Ow!
Holy shit.
It opens up, don't it?
Yes.
This is different.
Oh my god, I wish I had a brighter light.
Yeah, it's turning out on the video. It looks like.
that peg?
Keep
Yes,
shining
I
it.
do.
Mike's got a light.
Hold on a minute. Put it on pause. Put it on the pause.
Pa-pa-pa-pa. Oh my god.
Where did I put it?
Oh, there's footprints. We're not the first. Holy crap, dude. It goes way underneath.
Oh my gosh!
What is it?
No, this thing next to us is floating. This whole wall next to us is floating.
Holy shit.
Look at this.
What?
Wonder if anybody have, like, skeletal remains back there from hundreds of years ago.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my god, look up.
Yeah. Man. Oh, that's really working, Mike.
Dripping water, you guys.
This is the end of it, though, ain't it?
Yeah.
Other than that little crack right there. Huh? No, it crack. Oh, yeah, it does, don't it? Yeah, that's it. Wow.
Hey, profanity.
Profanity. Did you look up under there, Mike? Yeah, look under there.
I did over here.
The whole thing's a floating. Yeah.
Hey!
Scared the crap out of me when you did that.
Scott!
Oh my god, it keeps going.
Hold on, let me grab a video.
You can see daylight.
Oh, what's that thing?
You can see daylight.
You crawling in, Scott? Watch for critters.
We see the light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you, Scott. It's amazing there. Whoa, total blackness.
Goes in tight.
Why don't you crawl through there, Scott, and we'll go outside and wait on you.
There's a super
My shoulders won't fit through.
super gravitational pull here. Scott couldn't get up. This is probably one of those spiritual places where
I could definitely meditate here.
Look, a walking stick in a backpack.
This is so cool.
It looks damp. And you know what? I don't see any bats hanging anywhere.
there is light at the end of the tunnel.
It's got a front door and a back door. Now we're working our way back out of the cave.
Yeah, dude. That's gotta be 600 feet above us.
Yeah.
And probably 100
Moss
below
hanging.
us.
If I hadn't taken
Nice
that
little ledge.
bike tour, it's all down in here. You probably wouldn't be good.
Look.
Yeah, it's way up there.
Doesn't it look like we climbed the mountain? We're in the middle of the mountain.
It does,
Down
actually.
Here, and then you look out there.
Yeah, because down it's like lower right there.
Yeah.